Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. I'm excited to bring you this video as I will be showing you how to use Manychat. Manychat is arguably one of the best chatbot marketing platforms and also social media platforms, and it will provide you with numerous automations that will help to increase the conversion of your social media. For example, you'll be able to get more sales using Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. So to get started, you'll first need to go onto manychat.com. Once on manychat.com, you can tap on Get Started for free. From there, you can sign up using your email address. And by the way, by scrolling down, you can see that Manychat has been used by over 1 million businesses. For example, it has been used by Hotmart, it has also been used by Nike, and it has been used by numerous persons. In fact, it has been used by over 3 billion persons thus far. Now, to get started, you'll go to this dashboard, and once on this dashboard, you can simply select both, then we'll tap on Start for free. After you have tapped on Start for free, you will be redirected to this page. And by the way, I started the sign up process before starting the video so that it wouldn't take forever, as I don't want to hold up your time. And we're going to be using the free plan, so I'm going to be continuing with the free plan. And for this example, I connected my Facebook and Instagram page. You can connect whichever social media platforms you want. What is the primary purpose of creating your account? And for this, I will simply tap on business use, and I can also select education and tests. I can only select one, so I'm going to select business use, then I'm going to tap on next. How do you intend to use Manychat? And from there, you can select right there. I'll select ongoing activities. What best describes your company? And I'm going to select creator. If I could select this also, I would. Then I'm going to tap on next. In what ways are you currently monetizing your account? Are you participating in affiliate marketing? Are you promoting your own services? Are you promoting retail products? You can select whichever option you want. I don't monetize my content. I can select that. Then tap on next. What other marketing and business tools do you use for your business? And you can select whichever one of these platforms that you use. At the moment, I'm going to tap on none. Then I'm going to tap on next. Once you have tapped on next, you will be redirected to the main dashboard of Manychat. So this is how it looks at the moment, and you can see all of the social media platforms that you have connected on the left-hand menu option right here. Now to get started, all we'll need to do, you could tap on home. After you have tapped on home, you can see where do most of your Instagram leads come from. And from there, you could select comments, for example. Then you could tap on generate templates. After you have tapped on generate templates, you're going to give it a few seconds. And you can see the different templates that you can use to market or to target customers in your comment section on Instagram. So for example, let's say I would like to convert my Instagram comments into sales. I could tap on that template, and you can see a preview of it right here. How does it work? It will convert comments into sales by sending your followers a text and a link to buy your products or register to your webinars or events. So all you will need to do is scroll down, tap on Set Up Template, then give it a few seconds to load up. Once it loads up, you can see the automation right here. So it will start with the user commenting on your post or reel. Once they have done that, it will redirect them to this, and you can see reply in DM. So it is going to automatically send them a DM. So once someone comments on your post or reel, they will automatically receive a DM that says, "Hi, thanks for your comment. Here is your link." So you can see right there, and they can simply tap on the link. If you would like to add something more to this automation, you can. So for example, you could tap on new trigger right here, And from here, you could, for example, add user replies to your story or user clicks on our referral link. So you can add any one of these triggers if you want. You can tap on preview to see how it looks. So you can see right there, this will be the DM that they have received. And I'm sure that you have received this DM before or similar DMs to this if you have ever clicked on certain business product pages. So this is how they are able to automate it, and they are able to convert their social presence into sales. And you can use this to build other automations if you want by simply tapping on the plus right here. You can build other automations for other social media platforms or for Instagram. So it is quite easy to set up. So this is the reason why I was excited to talk about Manychat, as they offer numerous features that I'm sure you will find helpful for your business. Another thing that you could also do is you can tap on your contacts right here from the left hand menu option. And from here, you can see upload your external contacts and use it with SMS or email marketing. You could tap on create, and from here, you can add your contact information, their first, last name, phone number, and so on. And from there, you'll be able to set up your SMS or email marketing. And again, if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on automation. From here, remember we created an automation earlier to convert our Instagram comments. If you would like to create a new automation, you could tap on new flow in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on new flow, from here you can select from their numerous templates. All you have to do is scroll down so you can see if you would like to build your email list using your Instagram DM. You can simply tap on that. If you would like to launch a giveaway in your Instagram comments, you can definitely do that using this app. So even if you're just getting started and you're a solopreneur, you can use this platform for free, and you'll be able to convert persons that visit your Instagram store into customers, as you can see here. It provides you with numerous tools even as a complete beginner to set up. And you can also use it to create a chatbot. You can tap on live chat right here, and you can see you will be able to view your comments and so on right there. And if we were to tap on settings, by tapping on settings, you can shorten your URL, as you can see right there. You can clone another page if you want, and you can also add team members by tapping on team members right there. And that's about it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. And by the way, you can see the different social media platforms that you can add it to right there. A quick one other thing before we go. If you would like to integrate payment methods, you can do that by tapping on payments. And from here, you'll be able to see any payment that you have received. And you can also connect your Stripe account, and you can connect your PayPal account right there. And you can also integrate other apps by tapping on integration in the bottom left hand corner. So for example, if you would like to connect your ChatGPT account, you could do that. You can connect it to Klaviyo, ActiveCampaign, and numerous other platforms, as you can see right here.